In this lesson, you will learn useful English words to talk about how you feel when you are not well. These words help you describe common health symptoms like pain, ache, sore, dizzy, nauseous, and weak. Understanding these terms makes it easier to explain your condition to a doctor or another person when you feel unwell. Pain is a strong and unpleasant feeling in your body. It can be sharp, dull, or throbbing, and it can happen anywhere, your head, back, or stomach. For example, you might say, "I have a sharp pain in my back." Pain is usually a sign that something is wrong inside your body. An ache is a kind of pain that is not very strong but lasts for a long time. It is a dull, steady discomfort that does not go away quickly. We often use the word ache with parts of the body, like headache, backache, or toothache. You might say, "My muscles ache after exercise." Sore describes pain or tenderness on the surface of your body. It often happens when a part is irritated, strained, or infected. You can have a sore throat after coughing or shouting too much. You can also say, "My arms feel sore after lifting heavy things." Dizzy describes the feeling that you or everything around you is spinning. It becomes hard to stand or walk straight. You may feel dizzy when you stand up too fast, when it is very hot, or after being ill. You might say, "I feel dizzy when I get up suddenly." Nauseous means feeling like you are going to vomit. It is a sick feeling in your stomach. People often feel nauseous because of motion sickness, bad food, or illness. You can say, "I feel nauseous after the bus ride," to describe that uncomfortable feeling. Weak means having little physical strength or energy. You may feel tired, shaky, or unable to move easily. After an illness, it is common to feel weak because the body needs rest and food to recover. You can say, "I feel weak after the fever." Now let us compare the words you have learned. Pain is a strong and unpleasant feeling. Ache is a dull but steady pain. Sore means surface discomfort, usually in muscles or skin. Dizzy relates to losing balance or feeling the world spin. Knowing these small differences helps you choose the right word when you describe how you feel. Let us hear some examples that use these words in simple sentences. "I have a pain in my chest." "My legs ache after walking all day." "His throat is sore from coughing." "I feel dizzy when I stand up quickly." "She feels nauseous after eating too much." "He is too weak to lift his bag." Practice saying these sentences aloud to build confidence. Here is a quick review. Repeat the words pain, ache, sore, dizzy, nauseous, and weak. Match each one with the feeling it describes. Then, practice by making your own sentences. Think about a time when you experienced one of these symptoms and describe it in English. Listen carefully to the pronunciation and try to speak clearly and slowly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.